Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 6 Wambool Street in West Rockhampton. This home sits on just under 600 square metres on an incredibly tree-lined street surrounded by great neighbours. Let's go inside and take a quick look around.
My favourite part about 6 Wambool Street is the absolute spaciousness you have in the back and front yard, as well as the fact that it's on the top of the hill here. If 6 Wambool Street is the home for you, give our team a call today. We would love to help you out.